Are you going to chew on your toes? Can you show Daddy some of your new tricks? Can you show Daddy some of your new tricks? Say, Daddy, I found my toes and I really like chewing on them. Hi. 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 Are you going to come see Mommy? Are you going to come see me? Huh? Thank you. Yeah, it's late. It is actually past your bedtime. Gotta move those legs. You're almost there. Good job. Good job, Caleb. Whoa. Here, can you come get it? Can you come get it? Come get it. Good job, Caleb. Are you a big boy? Caleb, blah, blah, blah. Caleb, blah, blah, blah. Caleb. Mr. Big Boy. Hey. Say, Daddy, I'm growing into a big boy. Caleb. Caleb. Caleb Patrick.